Welcome to CNFT's July the 17th post-market wrap-up of trade recommendations that were made at 6:45 Central this morning and adjusted throughout the trading session. We came into today's market seeing resistance at 70 to 75. We really like the idea of getting short at our number 2 price points, the 75 area. The early news on housing starts and permits was bad. It fit our sell model. But the first place we got a chance to get short is right up here at 75. That was our retest failure. The trade entry as prescribed by our methodology would have been short at 74 and the market traded down to 59.5. If you had taken 3, there really wasn't any reason to get out of this trade until we got down into the 63, 64 area down in here, and if you could have hung in, you could have gotten 14 points out of it. So that was a trade that based on our exit rules and our trading targets. This morning we wanted to buy the 60-62 area. Our trading target was 60-62, so covering it at 63-64 would have been logical, and that would have been good for 10 points or more to a max of maybe 14, and getting out at 60 would have required living through this correction right here. So probably pretty hard to do because of this selling, and you can see it in pane number 2, and you can definitely see it in pane number 3. We really weren't interested in getting long. The area we like to execute in on retracement, especially in the volatile markets, is this green line right here. You can see we traded through it. So we came back down, broke the green line, went up above and broke it again. So this time you were short in the 67 area, plus or minus. And the first stop again was in this 62, 61 area. So exiting that trade for +3 to +5 made some sense. So that's the second winning trade. The market does not trade back up. You can see that the software gives you 3 S's right here. It's still telling you to trade from the short side. It's not telling you to trade from the buy side. And that's one of the beauties of the software. It does a lot of the work for you. It tells you conditions are right for the market to sell. This time you're short in the 63 area and the market trades down to 49. Our second trading target was the 53, 55 area. The attractor was down here at 53. It's the magnet to pull you down. So resting and limit exit at 53 would make sense. So you're looking at making 8, exiting at 55 to 10 points to as many as, again, 13 if you manage to get out at 50. So on the low side you made 18 points, which is a hell of a day, and on the high side you made 29. We had extra volatility, pretty clear indications of which way the market was going. We liked the sell side of the market coming in. We liked it even more when we got this morning's news, which showed housing starts well below forecast. If you'd like to know more about us, please go to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site you'll get an overview of the software, our trading methodologies, and our educational packets. To further encourage you to come take a look at us, we offer you 5 free trading days and a trial offer in our trading room where you can see how we operate real time. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial offer.